Assalamu alaikum, good morning my YouTube family. As you guys know, most of you know, I'll be off on Wednesday. So today's Wednesday and the weather looks glorious outside, guys. Just on my bed, obviously first thing in the morning I have to make my bed. Most of the duties are done once the bed's done. You feel so like relieved that like when you go to your bedroom it looks so nice and tidy, it looks clean. So definitely recommend doing your bed first thing in the morning. Oh my days, look at the weather, guys. What is the weather doing outside? It looks beautiful and it's perfect for my plants, which I'll probably have to water later if it doesn't rain. Just gonna open my blinds and get some sunlight in, get some vitamin D into the house and onto my skin. Without SPF on, I should be putting that on, but I'm going to put it on later when I go out. So yeah, it's a beautiful day. I'm just going to make breakfast now, guys. So spend the day with me, see what I get up to today. I think for breakfast I'm going to make, well, I've got some lentils from the night before that I'll have for breakfast. And my fridge is empty, guys. There's hardly anything in there. I need to go and do a bit of a grocery shop today. I want to get my mushrooms. I haven't got no tomatoes left or some chilies. I haven't really got much left in this fridge, guys. I need to fill this bad boy up. There's hardly anything in the fridge, so I'm gonna go and do a shop today, and you can definitely come along with me. I think now I've got 3 eggs left, so I'm just gonna make an egg. I don't know, maybe scrambled egg or something with some lentils and some toast and a cup of tea. Obviously, without saying, guys, you know how I feel about tea. Drink so much tea a day. I'm like a builder, aren't I? Drink a lot of tea, but yeah. Guys, look at my parsley and my basil that I put in my last vlog or the vlog before. It's actually growing, guys. I've actually got green fingers. What? I can't believe it's actually growing. Wow, my kitchen's going to smell gorgeous once this is all fully grown. Very casual outfit, guys. I'm just off out on my errands. Got my bag from Shein. Got this, I think I wore this before a couple of times. So this is from Marks and Spencer's. My shirt, my jacket's from H&M, and my shoes are from Shein, guys. Yeah, that's my full outfit. Very casual because it's sunny outside, but it's very windy and it's a bit cold. So don't be fooled by the sun, guys. To go to the post office, return these hooks, guys. These are my holders, but I don't need them. I ordered them by mistake from Amazon because I've got Amazon Prime, guys. I've been introduced to Amazon Prime. Can you believe it? I did an Amazon Prime by mistake, guys. I was ordering something from Amazon. I pressed the wrong button. So then I thought, I got lots of bits and bobs that I've got to get for the house. So this month, might as well just make the most of it and order a few things from Amazon Prime before I cancel it for next month, because I don't need it all the time. Oh gosh, my tree's on the floor. But yeah, so I'm just ordering, like, you know, like wardrobe hooks that I need. I've been putting off for such a long time. This tree needs to go into the ground. Oh god, I'll go do this at some point today. Well, I'll get it done anyway. Maybe I'll ask my neighbour to do it for me. Let's see, because my gardener comes next Tuesday. they'd probably be too late. So it's quite windy, so I need to put this in the ground. So yeah, coming back to, oh, my flowers are growing lovely, aren't they? I need to water all these this evening because it's quite sunny, so I need to water them. Yeah, it's Amazon Prime story, guys. So I've never had Amazon Prime because I think it's a waste of money, really, because I don't know, it is good if you order a lot, but I'm always going to the shop, so I don't really order much from Amazon Prime. Guys, exotic body mist is so refreshing. I love it. Always keep it in my car and just spray myself when I come out from patients' houses. But yeah, but I just sprayed myself now. So I'm gonna go to the post office, return these hooks. It's actually boiling in the car. It's 18 in the car, but it's so windy outside, guys. So windy and cold, but in the car it's boiling. Time, guys, it's time for sunglasses. Guys, I've just been to the post office now, and now I'm going to New Look. I need to find some leggings because I had 2 pairs of leggings at for work and one's ripped, so I need to get another pair of leggings. New Look now to look for some leggings. It's a pretty number. I've got some nice jackets here. I think this colour's quite in now. Fypage, I think it's a spring control. In the car now, guys. I'm just gonna have my lunch from Chaiwala in the car because I gotta do a grocery shop on the way back, and if I don't have it now it's gonna get all cold like last time and I'm not gonna enjoy it. So I'm gonna have this. I'm gonna have my currant coffee that I got, and I'll show you when I get home what I picked up, guys. This is what I got, guys. So I've got some masala fish, what am I on about, masala chips with some masala beans on top, guys. So it's a bit different, but this is what I'm having. Got some cucumber. I needed some groceries badly, guys. Got some tomatoes. I'm going to cook some vegetables later. Some sweet corn. Avocado. I've missing this. I never had it for a couple of weeks. Well, about a week. Some chilies, as you do. Mushy peas, my favourite. That's one bag done. Okay, in the second bag, this is what I'm going to cook tonight. Tonight, aubergines and potatoes. Got some bananas. Got some baked beans. You can't go wrong with baked beans. Got some paracetamol. Always migraines. Some cumin that I run out of. I didn't have any tomato ketchup left, so I got some tomato ketchup. Some more baby spinach. I like to add spinach to everything. It's I got some coriander. I'm growing mine in the garden, but it's not grown yet. So once that grows, I don't have to get any more of this. So I'll save £1 or so from that. Some strawberry yogurt, that's for my blueberries for work. And I could put some granola in there. Some blueberry, strawberry, yogurt, granola, and maybe some nuts. Yeah, well, that would be in granola anyway, but yeah. My favourite romaine salad, lettuce. I'm growing my own lettuce as well, but it hasn't grown yet. So that's that. So I got 2 of the aubergines. Another bag done. My last bag. I just got a treat. Tangy tomato flavour snacks. I haven't had this before, so I'll give that a taste test. Got some eggs, obviously. Got some dishwasher tablets, nothing exciting. This is extra large dishwasher aid rinse. So that was $1.99, I think. I got some washing up liquid. I usually just put it into my dispenser. Sometimes I just wash with the hands, like a few things with my hands and stuff. Yeah, if you know what I mean. What am I talking about? I don't know. Sorry, you know what I mean. Okay, orange juice. I like the smooth one. Got some more potatoes, some mini British baby potatoes. I've got some dishwasher salt. Boring, but you need it, otherwise the dishwasher won't work properly. Some trash bags. Some chili powder that I needed. Got some apples. You're in my way, my friend. Okay, apples, mushrooms, one's not enough. And some more sweet wine, tomatoes. So that's my shopping done, guys. I need to put all these away now. Oh my god. What? I made a right mess. Guys, I'm just cooking the aubergine. All I put in there is garlic, onion, all the spices. It's up to your taste, what you want. Salt to taste. I'll put cumin, turmeric, chili powder, and I'm going to put some green chilies in there in a second. And I'm just going to put some coriander at the top. Yeah, I'm just going to cook this now, guys. It's quite simple anyway. And I put potatoes in there as well. I've added coriander, guys. Now I'm just finishing it off. Oh, it smells gorgeous. The aubergines and potatoes. Guys, a bit later on, I'm just going to show you what I picked up today from New Look. I didn't pick much up. I only picked up some leggings for work, which I explained that I needed for work. So it's just plain black leggings, nothing to really talk about. It's just regular high-rise leggings, guys. It's nothing special. That's just leggings. And I did pick up a dress. I fell in love with this dress. Actually matches what I've got on right now, but I do love this colour. I love black and this beige kind of look. So the only difference is this is like got no sleeves, but I know what to wear underneath. I'm probably going to wear like a nice shirt or something. So you've probably seen me have a look at this. I just absolutely love it, guys. Look at it. It's really long. It's got some slits on the side. It's got black piping. It's got a black belt as well. Absolutely gorgeous. I just love the quality of this. See that? It's a beautiful quality, black, and the material is absolutely gorgeous. Actually, I don't know what material it is, but yeah, I think it's like, I don't know, it's just like really summery, guys, like linen. But yeah, it's beautiful. I love it. If I ever wear it, I will definitely make a video to show you the outfit. So I was thinking black leggings, black shirt, like maybe crochet type underneath with this, guys. I think it look really nice. So that's the dress.